Get ready to be amazed as we unveil the countless ways Dawn dish soap can save you time and money and tackles so many more things than just grease, grime, and dirt. So let's dive right in and let me show you some surprising ways you can use this stuff around the house. Relieve poison ivy. We all know how irritating and uncomfortable poison ivy can be, and when those pesky blisters start popping up, it's crucial to tackle them head-on. By washing the affected area with Dawn dish soap, you're not only drying up the fluid, but also preventing it from spreading further. This is a game changer, especially for our little explorers who can't resist scratching those itchy blisters. Get rid of driveway stains. If you're a homeowner, you're surely familiar with the struggle of having unsightly gasoline or motor oil stains on your precious driveway. But don't worry, we've got a tip that can help you restore it to its former glory. Start by sprinkling kitty litter over the affected areas to absorb excess oil. Then grab a scrub broom and mix a solution of warm water and Dawn dish soap. This powerful and eco-friendly duo can help you safely and effectively remove any remaining stains. Remove hair product buildup. Once a month, give your hair and scalp some extra TLC by using Dawn dish soap as a shampoo alternative. It's incredibly effective at removing excess oil and stubborn buildup from styling products without causing any damage. Plus, it's a pocket-friendly alternative to expensive salon products that claim to do the same thing. Make a gel ice pack. Whether it's a twisted ankle, a sore muscle, or a cool refresher on a hot day, this homemade ice pack has got your back. Grab a zip-type sandwich bag and fill it partially with Dawn dish soap. Give it a gentle squeeze to remove any excess air. Seal it up tight and pop it in the freezer. Thanks to the freezing properties of Dawn, it stays colder for longer, providing soothing relief exactly where you need it. And the best part? You can refreeze it again and again for continued icy bliss. Soften cuticles for manicures. Want to achieve a salon-worthy manicure from the comfort of your own home? Here's a little trick. Soak your fingertips in a bowl of Dawn dish soap before you start the manicure magic. This simple, yet effective hack makes your cuticles soft and easy to work with, so you can achieve that perfect polish application without any fuss. Dawn also works wonders by removing the natural oils from your nails, making the nail polish adhere better for a longer-lasting finish. Repel pests from plants. If you're dealing with insects on your houseplants, grab a spray bottle, add a drop of Dawn, fill it with water and shake it up. Mist your plants with the soapy water and watch those pests scurry away. It's a safe and effective way to protect your plants without using harsh chemicals. Clean plastic kiddie pools. Let's face it, those plastic wading pools can become a breeding ground for grime and dirt. But fret not, because you can bring back the fun in your kiddie pool without worrying about harsh chemicals like bleach damaging the plastic. When it's time to refresh your pool, simply dump out the water and grab your sponge and Dawn dish soap. With a little scrubbing action, you can easily bid farewell to all the gunk. Pre-treat oily laundry stains. When you come across stains like lipstick, grease, butter, motor oil, cooking oil, or even pen ink, simply reach for your handy bottle of Dawn. Apply a small amount of this magical soap directly onto the stain, and then grab a small brush or toothbrush to gently scrub it away. Once the stain is gone, toss your garment into the washing machine and wash as usual. Get rid of carpet stains. Nobody likes to deal with carpet stains, but here's a super easy way to clean them up using Dawn detergent. Grab a spray bottle and mix together a quarter cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dawn, and 1 cup of water. Spray the solution generously onto the stain and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Then blot the area with a clean, dry towel until the stain disappears. Unclog toilets. A clogged toilet can be a major headache, but this simple trick could save you from the hassle of calling in a plumber. Start by pouring a cup of Dawn directly into the clogged toilet bowl, ensuring it covers the entire area. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, allowing the powerful formula to work its magic on the clog. Once time is up, use a bucket to pour hot water into the toilet bowl from waist height. The combination of Dawn soap and hot water will create a strong force that can break down and flush away the clog. Clean windows. Want super clean windows without the hassle? I've got a fantastic solution for you. It's as simple as mixing 3 drops of Dawn dish soap with a gallon of water. Then spray and wipe your windows, just like you would with any ordinary window cleaner. Say goodbye to smudges and hello to a crystal clear view. Clean makeup applicators. All you makeup lovers out there, this one's for you. A fresh and flawless face starts with a clean set of brushes and sponges, so it's important to prevent buildup by giving them a good scrub. Wet them with warm water, add some Dawn dish soap and lather them up. Rinse until the water runs clear, then reshape and let them air dry. All in all, Dawn dish soap is an incredibly versatile and surprising ally in your everyday life. Try these tips out and let us know how they work for you. If you found these insights helpful, don't hesitate to like, share, and spread the word. Your support fuels our passion for uncovering the secrets behind sustainable living and cost-effective tools and methods to save you time and money. Subscribe to discover empowering and cost-effective home and health wisdom that keeps you one step ahead and the envy of your friends and neighbors. Turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. And as always, please be well, be wise, and take care.